Okay, so last class on Friday, we started learning the rules for determining the number of significant figures. So you should have this first one written down. So all non-zero digits are significant. Okay. So your example is the number 356. All three of those are significant. Okay, so 3 SF means 3 sig figs. Then there's 4 more rules. These pictures, they are your rules. So if you haven't written them down yet, you need to write them down. So the first rule is the sandwiched 0. Okay. Your example is 402. So do you see how the 2, it is sandwiched in there? Okay. It's significant then. So then for this one, it's still 3 sig figs, right? The 4, the 0, the 2, they're all significant. Our next one, trailing zeros with a decimal, they are significant, okay? So think about it. If you take the time to write 3.00, if you took the time to write this, they must be significant. Okay. So this example also has 3 sig figs. Our fourth rule is trailing zeros without a decimal. Okay, so if there's no decimal point, these zeros are not significant. So then only 3 is the significant figure. So this one is only 1 significant figure. And then our final rule is leading zeros. Okay, so leading zeros, these are not significant. They're just placeholders. So these zeros we don't count, but the 7 is significant. So 0.07 would have 1 sig fig.